What's up, guys? Back with another video. We are at this gas station right now filling up because we are headed to Bimmer Fest. It's about 4 a.m. right now, so it's definitely early. Just filled up some E85, topping off with some 91, but we're headed down there. I'm meeting up with my boy right now in this single turbo E90. First gas station fill up. Hey, now we got some good lighting. Got my boy with me right here too. Oh shit, my cap came off. And that's, I don't know if I have another one too. That kind of makes me a little on that. I just filled up, got a movie playing real quick. That's crazy, but we both got the cars washed up, mobbing down right now. Got back up. Single turbo E90 on the drag pack, looking clean though. Shit is hard as hell. Damn. We mobbing. My boy's car supposed to go. He came, boy, both cars go. It's all good next time though. We would have had 335i's. He's full bolt on though. Ain't being single turbo yet though, but on the way. Sun shining bright, boys. Damn. We smashing though. We really smashing on them. Too nice out here in Mexico. Tijuana. Too nice out here in Tijuana. Chamoy. Quick little pit stop. I think he blew a little turbo. What?
45 from the J pipe. Look.
Oh shit, yeah, that definitely popped off. Quick little fixer up. We did bring some tools, so simple fix and we back on the road. But so, man, it feels hecka nice out here right now. Shit feels hecka good. But look at this lineup though. Yeah, you gotta cop some pics though. How's the car been running though?
I was wondering, I'm like, this thing feels a little weird, but I was like,
yeah. So we do got the top mount, got a billet, valve cover, port injection, precision turbo, 6266. Should be nice. Show y'all the interior. Manual. Got a nice ass steering wheel on it too. You know you gotta have the drag pack look. We both got that. He got the B-lock though. I got the drag pack. He got the B-lock. The B-locks do look good. But damn, we in the middle of nowhere. But hey, we headed to that Bimmer Fest where we actually saw some Bimmers on the way there. But yeah, we're getting closer. We're getting closer to Bakersfield, so
it's a good time.
We're making good time for sure.
This is me.
Definitely making some good time. Look at that. Nice ass steering wheel, air ride. Traffic, oh my. Whoa. What the actual, Brandon, you see this? Bro. Damn, G80 with a single turbo. Damn, look at this. Big old single precision. That boy getting down right here. Look at that. VVS's. Yeah. Can't go wrong.
That's hard.
Look at these lineups though.
That's
got an E92 right here. M3. Super on a drag pack. There's too much to look at, guys. I'm like in awe, man. This is, if you guys love BMW, this is BMW heaven. Like realistically, like BMWs from left to right. Everything's looking super just crazy. Like, honestly, left and right. It's like you don't even know where to put your head at, honestly. Look at this. Got Supras in here. Because now they're part of the BMW family. They got that motor. Look at this. Damn. This Supra got a fat turbo. Fat turbo. Dang. Yeah, he over here pulling. Look at these lineups, though. Like, everything is just... Man, I'm going to show you guys some more stuff, but I'm just trying to soak it all in, honestly. To be so honest with you guys, I'm just soaking it all in. Look at these. Damn, that's a hard lineup right there. Let me know what y'all think. That's a super hard lineup. Then we got an E90 right here, 335. Damn, F82, F80. Like, man, it's just like non-stop. Rows after rows of BMWs. Like, I'm gonna try to show you guys as much as I can because it's popping out here, man. And it's 100. Getting this content for you guys, man, it is literally, it's scorching out here, guys. Like 100 degrees in LA, man. Shit be hot, bro. Look at that, TEs. What y'all think about it? E30, Alpina. That shit hard. And we got an M2, man. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. These have definitely grown on me out. Like, this shit is so wide in the front. Like, this shit looks exotic. Like, BMW knows what they're doing, honestly. Like, come on. M2, these look nice. These are super nice cars, honestly. Hey, what y'all think? Maybe an M2 next on the channel? Let me know. Ooh, G80. We got a G80 on a full drag pack. Damn, that shit looks hard. I think I ran into this guy before. That shit's nice as shit. Oh, yeah, he's definitely... He's got some shit done. He got some shit done, bro. The 1M appeared rare. Look at rare 1M. These are super rare, honestly. You guys never see these. Dang, this shit's nice. So it's pretty. The IS it's younger. Yeah, manual too. So these came factory with the overboost setting, and these came with everything. Like, this car is a very special car. You guys don't know about the 1M, like this M54. So it has the same motor as my car, but I don't know what this guy has done to it. But man, and it's in manual too. That boy came out on top with these. Honestly, these will continue to go up in value because I think they only made like 50. Don't quote. I think they only made 50, right? I think it's
a little more than 50. I don't know.
No, it was like 350. It was a very limited number. Very limited number. So yeah, these are super clean cars too. We got an F30 on it. It's Geno. Single turbo M3 with a hood exit exhaust, man. What more can you ask for? Let's see how it's saying. And he got the little
of the rear wheels like that.
I don't know if he be drifting this shit or what, but hey, y'all, look at this. Sound like a track.
Yeah, sound good.
Honestly, yeah, down low. Maybe up top though, but
oh yeah, when the gates open, yeah.
Yeah, down low. That's
I hear that.
Honestly, ooh, man, everything's looking too good. Look at that. Ooh, titanium. Damn, that shit sounds nice. M54. We got a BMW bike too.
Why does it take like that?
Oh, Brandon, look at this BMW S1000.
Look at that. I've never seen this.
Whoa. What's going on here? Someone explain to me what's going on. We do got an M54 in the building though. Y'all can see him. Is the holy grails of E90 335s, like Street Fighter kit. Look at how full wide body all the way around. This thing is looking insane. Look at this 3-piece wheels. This thing is nice, bro. This made me want to get a E90 335 before I bought my 335i's. Like, super nice. That shit is white as shit, guys. Look at that. Look at the fitment. Fitment goes crazy.
It's all here.
I know. Look at that. Yeah, fitment goes crazy, guys.
It's not the car, but this is one of the.
And in this gray too. Wait, what bumper is this? This is, I mean, it's
an M4 bumper.
I say, okay, and then obviously
I want to go with the 1M though. They give you the option.
Yeah, that thing's nice, man. He got some shit in that. What is that?
Yes, it's an F58. Right here. This is the Pro Charger kit. It's the ECS.
Oh yeah. What y'all think about the M3s?
ESS kit, yeah.
I don't know. It would be cool.
It's dope because you can keep the ITB. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
That I would Pro Charge it.
Personally, if I got a M3, E9 and E9X platform, it would have to be manual because I already have my IS. So if I did get an M3, I would definitely be in manual for sure. It is scorching out here, guys. Like, look at everyone got these umbrellas because, man, you got to protect yourself from that sun, man. That shit coming down, burning niggas. Straight up. Look at this, another M2, man. They're honestly kind of, it's a sign maybe. These things look so good, honestly. Like, you can't tell me these don't look good. Oh, yes. That shit looks nice. Look at his interior, guys. This is perfect, honestly. Look at his seats.
That's why I never liked them.
Oh, okay, yeah. It does look kind of...
It looks tacky when it's on.
Another E90 335. Let's see what we're working with. Not bad, like the steering wheel. Clean. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh, snap, what is this? Is this an IS? It is. It's an IS, Brandon. Drop top. Yeah, not too bad. I mean, personally, I don't like the convertibles when it comes to the ISs. But hey, this is my opinion. Personally, it got to be a coupe. I'm just being real. Just being real. It got to be a coupe. If I get any car, I don't think. Honestly, yeah, convertibles. I don't know. Something about the roof lining, it just doesn't look the greatest. So, oh, another IS. Just speaking of it, damn, right, another IS, bro. DCT. Another fellow brother right here. Oh, I got a fat lip too. This thing's clean. I ain't gonna lie. I like honestly, I used to want these wheels so bad because of how, like, look at look how concave they are, guys. Like, I used to want these wheels. Look at, but I wouldn't want to have them stretched though. That's the only thing about that. It's just too much to look at, guys. Like, I'm scorching out here getting this content for you guys because boy, it'll be sound like an LS. No, I'm joking. This shit sound beefy. Oh, drag pack. M5, not too bad. And we got an E30 right behind it. M5 comp too with the boy just posted. He chilling. Oh, that 325i's though. LS E36. This shit's clean. This shit. Oh, I like his windshield tint. It's full. Oh, look at the interior, bro. Look at the interior, bro. He has that hydro perfectly. That's a clean setup right there. I ain't gonna lie, in the center. Guys, it is scorching out here, man. I'm trying to get this content, man, but that sun is beaming on them. Another 335 with a little, honestly, I like when they do. This is not an M. No, it's just 335. Honestly, guys, I had that hood. Yeah, 335 right here. M54. Another one. Another M54. And they out here, guys. The M54 showed up. 335. Honestly, guys, I had this hood, but it didn't fit the best. So look at it. You can see it's kind of overhanging a little bit too. So I end up selling the hood that I actually bought. If you guys watch my unveiling of all the parts I bought, but he got the front the updated, or he has the M3 front bumper. It's just pretty nice. And guys, oh, Brandon, look at his mirrors.
They're just covers.
They are just covers, huh?
Yeah.
He be telling me that my mirrors look ugly.
Oh man, drop a comment if you think,
What y'all think about my mirrors? He's saying my mirrors look bad. I don't know. Beamer after beamer after beamer. Boy broke his slide, so look. Show him the slide, bro. Look at this.
These are pretty old though.
They the Balencies?
Yeah, they're pretty old.
And they've been through war, bro. That's what happened.
Yeah, these are the dailies.
They finally get, motor just.
Yeah, that's it. I just say, you want water? No.
You know what it was? Is that heat, bro. It was heating up that that glue. It was heating up that glue. That's what happened. Look at this shit, guys. It's just too many Beamers. Got like a girl spec. Got a pink stripe. Oh, sparkly pink stripe down the side, offsetted. Oh, but look at too much shit. The M2 with the BBSs though. Sheesh. Carbon. Damn, this thing is hard. This thing, Brandon, that thing is competition too. Hey, look straight ahead, brother. Shit. No. 135 on the big. And he gripped. Oh, bro, he did a
2J.
Look what he has in here.
2J with the DCT.
Whoa, this is kind of crazy. Dang, this is kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Another single turbo Supra. Look at this, Brandon. Whoa, 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 whoa. This thing looks insane. Bro, you just know he gets down. What the actual? That thing looks crazy. That thing actually looks crazy. Look at this. Is this the M54? Nah, it's not M54. Look like M54 though.
What we do here is go back.
Look at this. Look at this lineup. All white. Got M2, M2, M3, M3, E92, M3. Like, that's a crazy lineup. That's a crazy lineup. Look at that. All lined up together. That's a pretty sick lineup. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We have one more. What is that? 335i's single turbo, it looks like. Yes. In the red too. These reds are a little harder to find too. DCT. This thing's nice too. Damn, 335i's. We came out here and showed out. I didn't get to go into the show and shine, but hey, we in the parking lot. Ain't gonna be able to see us from the parking lot. It's crazy. This thing started at 12. It's probably like 1 o'clock now. But we're taking off a little early just because it's been so hot. Stupid hot.